Lazenby polished concrete is a handmade product. It's unique. There are going to be variations, there's going to be textural variations, colour variations, which are all a part of the product. Polished concrete floors are the same as every hard surface. If you drag a sharp object across the top of it, it will potentially scratch. However, a good maintenance regime, and more importantly, possibly the use of a rotary floor buffer, will take out all floor marks, scuffs and light scratches. There's the possibility that surface cracking might happen. This doesn't affect the performance of the floor, it's aesthetic. One thing that Lazenby have learned over the years is some pretty good methods on how to repair these to the customer's satisfaction. We can open the crack up, apply some repair material, and we have some very, very good colour tinting systems to make the cracks disappear into that surface appearance of polished concrete. Once your floor is installed, you can always come back to our dedicated aftercare team who will be able to give you advice and guidance on how to maintain your floor.